Welcome to eenaduepratibha. eenaduepratibha is a next generation exam preparation platform from the house of Eenadu. It is the most reliable source for the students preparing for the competitive and other examinations. We cover all the subjects required for the particular exam from the very basic level to the advanced level. Today we are going to discuss some problems regarding the probability. Let's get into the problems. A number is selected at random from the set 1, 2, 3 and so on 50. The probability that is prime from 1 to 50 numbers, if we can select one number that is a prime number, how much and what exactly the probability of getting the prime number is a question for us. What exactly the meaning of a prime number? Prime number means a number which does have the factors of the number is one or the same number, we can call it as prime numbers. So 15 has 1 and 15 as well as 3 and 5 also factors. Factor means a number should be which number table, that number should be the factor. So suppose 4 we can take, 4 should be in one table and 4 table, if we'll get this is prime number, but it will be on the 2 table also, it should not be a prime number. 5 1 table and 5 table should not be on any of the table, right? This should be the prime number. Prime number should be on the 1 table and 5 table. Means to say that every number is in one table, every number is divisible by the same number table, right? Prime number should not be in the any of the tables except the one table and the same number table. So 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number. So a number is selected random from the set 1 to 50, the probability that is prime number. From 1 to 50 numbers, probability of selected prime number. Prime numbers are how many? 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 is not prime numbers, 10 is also not, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, not 25, 26, 27, not 28, 29. If we can count from 1 to 50, 15 prime numbers are possible. How many? 15. So 15 by 50, 29, then 31, then 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, then 39. Like this, if we can count how many prime numbers possible, 15 prime numbers. Out of 50, 5 tens are 5 threes are. 3 by 10 means what exactly the probability? 0.3. Where exactly the 0.3? Option 3 is a 0.3. Option 3 should be the solution for the given question. The next question is, when an unbiased coin is rolled, what is the probability that output is 5? When unbiased coin is rolled. So suppose a coin is rolled, single coin is rolled. A coin is rolled means a single coin is rolled. How, what exactly the total number of outcomes? Here also in the previous problem, total number means total number of outcomes. 15 prime numbers means this is favorable. This is total number of outcomes. Favorable by total number of outcomes should be probability. Next, one coin is one not dice. Sorry, an unbiased dice. When an unbiased dice is rolled, what is the probability that output is 5? The concept regarding the dice we have to learn first. Then we shall solve the problems regarding the dice. So, a single die is rolled, or dice is rolled, dice is rolled. Total outcomes are how many? A dice has 6 faces. Total outcomes are 1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6. Total outcomes are how many? 6. 1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6. So total number of outcomes are 6. If we want to get an even number, what exactly the probability a single die is rolled? What exactly the probability of getting an even number? Total outcomes are how many? 6 are the total number of outcomes. What exactly the favorable number of outcomes? Total outcomes are favorable are even number. Getting an even number probability means 2, 4, 6 means 3. What exactly the probability is, and absolutely 1 by 2 is the probability, right? For suppose, what exactly an odd number getting probability if a single die is rolled? Total number of outcomes are how many? 6 are the total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes we have to write in the denominator. Odd numbers are what? 1, 3, 5. They are odd numbers. What exactly 3 by 6 means? 1 by 2 is the probability for the given question. 1 by 2 is the probability for given question. So suppose two dice are rolled. One die is rolled, total 6 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So suppose two dice are rolled. How total outcomes are how many? We have to know first. First die 1 and second die 1. This is one out. First die 1, second die 2. First die 1, second die 3. First die 1, second die 4. First die 1, second die 5. First die 1, second die 6. Here it is. First die 2, second die 1. First die 2, second die 2. First die 2, second die 3. First die 2, second die 4. And first die 3, second die 1. First die 3, second die 2. Here 6. Here 6. Here 6. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5. Here also 6. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, and so on. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Total 6 numbers in 6 times. Its total number of outcomes are 36. Is it possible to write each and every time 36 outcomes? Not possible. Just for the sake of the reason, what I like to convey over here is one time die is rolled, 6 to the power of 1 total outcomes. Two times die is rolled, total number of outcomes are 6 square. Three dice are rolled, total number of outcomes are 6 cube. Four dice rolled, total number of outcomes are 6 to the power of 4. Same concept what we have discussed in the coins. One coin tossed 2 to the power of 1. Two coins tossed 2 square. Three coins tossed 2 cube. As the same way dice also. One die is rolled 6 to the power of 1. Two dice are rolled 6 square. Three dice are rolled 6 cube. Four dice are rolled 6 to the power of 4. So one die is rolled. Total number of outcomes is 6 to the power of 2 dice are rolled. Total number of outcomes are 6 square. 3 means 6 cube. This way we have to solve the total number of outcomes. Then when an unbiased dice is rolled, what is the probability that output is 5? How many dice are rolled? Unbiased die. Single die is rolled. One die. So how many outcomes total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One die is rolled 6 to the power of 1 means 6 outcomes are total. So what exactly the probability means favorable outcomes by total outcomes? Total outcomes are how many? 6. Favorable are how many? Output is 5 means single time. This is favorable. So what exactly the probability? It should be the 1 by 6. Where exactly the 1 by 6? 1 by 6 should be the option number 1. What can we say it as a solution? Option 1 is a solution for the given question. Next question is, when an unbiased dice is rolled, what is the probability that output is an odd number? When an unbiased dice means only one is rolled. One dice is rolled. Total number of outcomes are how much? How many? 6 to the power of 1 means 6. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of outcomes. Odd numbers. Total 6 outcomes. Odd are how many? 1, 3, 5. 3 are odd. 3 by 6 means what exactly? 1 by 2 is the probability. Where exactly the 1 by 2? 1 by 2 should be the option 3. Option 3 we can say it as the probability for the given question. Then the next question. When an unbiased dice is rolled, what is the probability that output is greater than 2? What is the probability that output is greater than 2? When unbiased dice is rolled means a single dice is rolled. Total number of outcomes are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total one die is rolled 6 to the power of 1 means 6, right? Don't count like this. So greater than 2. Greater than 2 means greater than 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. Favorable are how many? 4 numbers. So the probability is favorable by total, right? Favorable outcomes are total. How many? Favorable, 4 are favorable. Total outcomes are how many? 6. 4 by 6 means what exactly? 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. 2 by 3 is the probability. Where exactly the 2 by 3? Option number 2, that is 2 by 3. That is an absolute solution for the given question. When two dice are rolled together, what is the probability that sum of the outputs is 8? When the two dice are rolled together, what is the probability that sum of outputs are 8? Two dice are rolled. Two dice are rolled means total number of outcomes are how much? How many? 2 6 square means 36. If we can write 36, that's not possible. Some of the outputs are 8. Sum is 8. Whenever 1 is the first die turns up, second die has to be 7. It's not possible. Only die has 1 to 6 numbers. For suppose first die would supposed to have the 2. Second die is 6. It's possible. First die is 3. Second die is 5. It is possible. First die is 4. Second die is 4. It is possible. First die is 5. Second die is 3. It's possible. First die is 6, second die is 2 is also possible. These are the favorable. Why should I say these are the favorable? Means some should be 8 each of the case, right? So some should be 8 each of the case. How many cases do we have? 5 cases. Total number of outcomes are how many? 36. 5 by 36 is the solution. Where exactly the 5 by 36? Where exactly the 5 by 36? Option 3 is the 5 by 36. That is the solution for the given question. For suppose sum is 7. What exactly the probability? Sum is 7 means first die. Total 2 dice are rolled. For suppose, an example, one more we can do. Means sum is 7 means 2 comma first die. If we can, first die shows the 1. Second die has to be 6. First die 2. Second die has to be 5. First die 3. Second die has to be 4. First die 4. Second die has to be 3. First die 5. Second die has to be 2. First die 6. Second die has to be 1. Total 7, right? Sum 7. Here 7, here 7, here also 7, here also 7, here also 7, here also 7. Total how many outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the favorable. Favorable outcomes are how many? 6. But 2 dice are rolled. How many is total outcomes? 6 square, right? So 6 square equals to 36. 36 are total outcomes. 6 by 36 means which is absolutely 1 by 6. So what you have observed from these two examples, if you can write keep on like this, it would supposed to consume so much amount of time from us. So whenever sum is 8, answer should be 7 by 36. Whenever sum is 7, answer should be 6 by 36. Whenever sum is 5, answer should be 4 by 36. Whenever sum is 4, answer should be 3 by 36. Whenever sum is 3, answer should be 2 by 36. Whenever sum is 2, answer should be 1 by 36. If it is sum is 7, it is 6 by 36 or not? Just before sum is 8, it is 7 by 36 or not? Sorry. If it is sum is 8, which is 5 by 36. How it is possible, we shall discuss right now. Sum is 7. What exactly? Sum is 7, 6 by 36, right? First suppose sum should be 1, it is not possible. Means first die shows 1, second die shows 1. This is least sum. Sum should be 2. Means 1 by 36. First we have to check this. Sum should be 2 means first die 1, second die 1. Then remaining all the cases. First die shows 2, second die shows 0. 0 is not possible, right? Only one case. Total how many outcomes? 2 dice are rolled. 36. First suppose sum should be 3. 1 first die, second die 2. First die 2, second die 1. Then 3 is 0. Not possible. 0 should not be in the die. So 2 by 36, right? As the same way, 4 means what we can write? 3 by 36. 5 means what we have to write? 4 by 36. 6 means what we have to write? 5 by 36. 7 means what we have to write? 6 by 36. Just looking at the question, we can solve the question. Don't try to solve each and every question by using the traditional way, because it would supposed to take so much amount of time from us just for the sake of the reason. So if it is 7, 6 by 36, right? If it is 8, if it is 8, what exactly? Whenever it is the number is more than 7, for 7, which number can I add which will become 14? For suppose 8. 8, which number can I add which will become 14? 8 plus 6, which will become 14. 6 probability is what exactly? 5 by 36. Here also what? 5 by 36. More than 7 numbers. More than 7. Some is more than 7. 9 means 9, which number can I add which will become 14? 9, which number can I add which will become 14? 9 plus 5. 5 probability should be 4 by 36. Then next 10. 10, which number can I add which will become 14? 10, 4, right? For 4, what is the probability? 3 by 36, right? Here 4 by 36, here 5 by 36, here 3 by 36. For 11, which number can I add which will become 14? 11 plus 3. 3 probability should be 2 by 36. 12, which number can I add which will become 14? 2. 2 probability is 1 by 36. Like this, directly we can write the probability for the given question. Directly we can write. We don't want to solve by using the traditional way. more than 7 numbers. The number which is sum is more than 7 means that number. If it is 8, how much can we add which will become 14? If it is 9, how much can I add? Which number can I add which will become 14? 8. It is 6 we can add. 6 probability 5 by 36. 9. 5 we can add. 5 probability 4 by 36. 11. How much we can add? 3. 3 probability which is 2 by 36. In this way, we shall solve questions. Here it is 8 means how much we shall add which will become 14? 6. 6 probabilities 5 by 36 are not. This is the solution. Just because of the reason I said just before, I can explain just within a few minutes. We have discussed the concept in a very clear way. When two dice are rolled together, what is the probability that sum of the outputs is 7 or 12? Whenever it is 7 means what exactly? 6 by 36. Or means in a probability, or we have to write it as the plus in a probability, and we have to write it as the multiplication symbol. Or is plus and is multiplication. 7 plus 12 means 12. It is more than 7, right? 12, which number can I add which will become 14? 2. 2 probability should be what exact? 1 by 36. Here 6 by 36 plus 1 by 36, which is absolutely equal to what? 7 by 36. Where exactly the 7 by 36? Option 2. Option 2 should be the 7 by 36. So which is option 2 is the solution for the given question. When two dice are rolled together, what is the probability that sum is greater than or equals to 9? Means two dice are rolled together, minimum is 1 plus 1, 2. Maximum is 6 plus 6, 12. But it is sum is greater than or equals to 9. Means it is 9 or 10 or 11 or 12. Greater than or equals to 9. It is 9 or more than 9 means 10 or 11 or 12. 9 means 9, which number can I add which will become 14? 5, right? 5 means 4 by 36. 10 means which number can I add which will become 14? 4. 4 means what exactly the probability? 3 by 36. 11, which number can I add which will become 14? 3. 3 means what exactly the probability? 2 by 36. 12 means 2 we shall add, means 2 means 1 by 36 is going to be, right? 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. What exactly the solution? 10 by 36. 10 by 36, if we can cancel 2 5s are 2 18s. So where exactly the 5 by 18? 5 by 18 is option 2, right? 5 by 18 is option 2. Option 2 is the absolute solution for the given question. Person gets as many rupees as the number he gets when the unbiased six-faced die is thrown. If such dice are thrown, the probability of getting 10 rupees. Two dice are thrown, sum of the coin's faces should be 10 rupees, means sum should be 10. What exactly the probability? Sum should be 10. If it is more than 7 or not? More than 7. 10, which number can I add which will become 14? 4. For 4, what exactly the probability? 3 by 36. Where exactly the 3 by 36? 3 by 36 is nowhere. But 3 by 36, if you can cancel 3 ones are 3 twelves are. 1 by 12 is where exactly? Option number 5, which is 1 by 12. 1 by 12 is an absolute solution for the given question. When three dice are rolled together, what is the probability that sum of the outputs are 11 is the question for us. Sum of the outputs are 11 is the question for us. So, whenever the three dice are rolled, whenever the three dice are rolled, two dice are rolled, total number of outcomes are how many? 6 square, 36. Three dice are rolled, total number of outcomes are how many? 6 cube, 216 is total number of outcomes whenever three dice are rolled, right? So if we can keep on writing the 216 cube value, if we can keep on writing 216 outcomes, is it possible to write 216 outcomes? How much time would it supposed to take to write 216 outcomes? It would supposed to take more amount of time, right? So 1 comma 1, 1 comma first die 1, second die 1, third die 1. First die 1, second die 1, third die. In this way, if you can keep on writing 6 cube means 216 outcomes. If you want to write, quite impossible to write the 216 outcomes. Just for the sake of the reason, I like to introduce technique which can solve questions, each and every question. For suppose, 3 dice shows least sum. 1, 1, 1. Least sum should be first die 1, second die 1, third die 1. Least sum should be 3. And then, what exactly the highest sum? First die 6, second die 6, third die 6. Highest sum should be what exactly? 18, right? Here it is the 3. How many times it is? 1. Then it is 4. Then it is 5. Then it is 6. Then it is 7. Then it is 8. Then it is 9. Then it is 10. Here it is 11. Here it is 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. And 18. 18 means 6, 6, 6. Here also it is 1, right? From 1 to it is upwards. From upwards to 1. 1 plus 2, which is 3. Plus 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 2, 3. True. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 2, 3, 4, 5. 21 plus 4, which is 25. And then plus 2, which is 27. Means to say that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then plus 4 and plus 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 4, 25. Here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it is clear. Then plus 4 plus 2. 21 plus 4, 25. Then 25 plus 2, 27. From here to here, we have to write 27. Here it is 25. Here it is 21. Here it is 15. Here it is 10. 631. 631. When we'll get the sum 3 means 1 time 1. Total outcomes are 216. When we'll get the sum is 6, 10 times. 10 by 216 is the probability. When we'll get the sum 13, 21 times. 21 by 216. Whenever we'll get the sum 11, 27 times. 27 by 216. Like this. When we'll get the sum 8, if the three coins are, not three coins, three dice are rolled. Total outcomes are 216. Sum should be what? 8. Sum should be 8 for how many outcomes? 21 outcomes. So what exactly the solution? 21 by 216. In this way, we can solve the questions. I shall draw the table clearly. 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3 is the minimum. 6 plus 6 is 18 is the maximum. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, it is 8. 3 means sum of 3 should be one time. 1. Here it is plus 2. Here it is plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus that is plus 4 and plus 2. 1 plus 2 should 3. 3 plus 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 4, 25, 25 plus 2, 27. 27 to what's 27, 25 and 21, 15. From here to here, I shall write over here 10, 6, 3, 1. Output is 11. Where exactly the 11? 27. Right? Exactly. The total number of outcomes whenever 3 dice are rolled. 6 cube means 260. Favorable. Sum should be 11. How many times it is? 27. 27 outcomes. So 27 by 216. Where exactly the 27 by 216? Option number 1 should be the solution for the given question. Option number 1 should be the solution for the given question. Next question. When 3 dice are rolled together, what is the probability that some of the outputs are 10 or 15? Some of the outputs are 10 or 15. Or means what is it? Or means addition. 3 dice are rolled means total number of outcomes are 6 cube means 216. 3 dice are rolled. Here also 216. Sum should be 10. When sum should be 10 means here 27 times. And sum should be 15 means 10 times. Sum should be 10 means 27 times. Sum should be 15. How many times? Sum should be 15, 10 times. So 27 plus 10, how much it is going to be? 37. 37 by 216. Where exactly the 37 by 216? Option 2, which is 37 by 216, is an absolute solution for the given question. When 3 dice are rolled together, what is the probability that sum of the outputs is greater than 15? Greater than 15. 3 dice are rolled means 6 cube or total number of outcomes means 216. Probability means favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes, right? Favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes is a probability. Total 6 cube means what exactly? 260. Favorable means greater than 15. Greater than 15 means sum should be 16 or means plus. Sum should be 17 or means plus. Sum should be 18. We shall check it. Sum should be 18 is 1 time. 17 3 times. 16 6 times. 1 3 6. 1 time, 3 times, 6 times. Total how many number of times? 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 260. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 2 zeros are 2 8s. What exactly the probability is? 5 by 108 is the probability. Where exactly the 5 by 108? 5 by 108 is option number 3. Option number 3 is an absolute solution for the given question. When 3 dice are rolled together, what is the probability that sum of the outputs is a multiple of 9? How many dice are rolled? 3 dice are rolled. Total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes are how many? In 3 dice are rolled, total number of outcomes are 6 cube means absolutely 216 are total number of outcomes. Multiples of 9. Multiples of 9 means 9, table 9 and 9 twos are 18. These two are multiples of 9. 9 is a 27. But sum should be minimum 111. In sum should be minimum 3. Sum should be 6, 6, 6. Maximum it is going to be 18. So it is 9 or 18. Multiples of 9. R means plus 9. How many times it is possible the 9? How many outcomes? 9, 25 outcomes. 18, 1 outcome. 25 outcomes, 1 outcome. Total 26 outcomes. 26 are favorable for us. Total number of outcomes are how many? 3 dice are rolled, right? 216. 26 by 216 means what exactly? 213 is 26 to 108. So what exactly we can say it as? 13 by 108, option 3. Option 3 is what exactly? 13 by 108 is an option 3. That is an absolute solution for the given question. The next model questions are: a box contains 6 red and 4 blue and 2 green and 3 yellow marbles. The box contains red marbles are how many? 6 red marbles. Blue marbles are how many? 4 blue marbles. Green marbles are how many? 2 green marbles. Yellow marbles are how many? 3 yellow marbles. Total how many marbles we have? 15 marbles we have. Total how many marbles we have? 15 marbles we have. 4 marbles are picked up randomly. How many marbles are picked up randomly? 4 marbles picked up randomly. What is the probability that 2 are blue and 1 is green and 1 is yellow? And means what? Multiplication. 4 marbles are picked from how many marbles? Favorable outcomes by total outcomes we have to write, right? From 15 marbles, how many we have to select? 4, right? From 15, any 4 we can select. That is the total number of outcomes. From 15 marbles, any 4 we can select. That is the total number of outcomes. That 4 are which? That is the favorable number of outcomes. Favorable are what? 2 are blue. Blue are how many? From 4 we can select the 2 are blue. 1 is green. From green 2 we can select the 1. And yellow, 1 is yellow. From 3 we can select 1. So 2 into 3, here it is 2C1 is 2, 3C1 is 3. 4C2 value we can calculate over here. From 4 to how many? 2 numbers. 4 into 3 by 2 to 1. Here it is. By 15C4 value we have to calculate. 15C4 value we have to calculate. 15C4 means from 15 to 4 numbers we have to write. 15 into 14 into 13 into 12. From 4 to up to 1 we have to write 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 12 12 is cancelled. 2 sevens. So 15 into 7 into 13. 15 into 7 into 13 is the total number of outcomes. So if we can cancel, 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 6 2s are 12. Any more cancellation? So 12 by 13 sevens are 91. 5s are 455. 12 by 455, where exactly? 12 by 455 is in the option number 1. 12 by 455 is in the option number 1. Option number 1, we can conclude it as an absolute solution for the given question. 3 marbles are at random. What is the probability that all are red? How many marbles are we have picked up randomly? 3 marbles. From how many marbles we have to pick? From 15 marbles we have to pick 3 marbles. From 15 marbles we have to pick the 3 marbles. This is total number of outcomes. But where exactly the favorable? Where exactly the favorable number of outcomes? All are red, right? So total red are how many? 6 marbles are red. From 6 marbles, how many we have to? 3 marbles, right? So 6, 3 and 15C3 we have to calculate. 6 into 5 into 4, from 6 to 3 numbers by 3 to 1. Here also from 15 to 3 numbers we have to write first. 15 into 14 into 13. Then from 3 to 1. 3 into 2 into 1. Here it is 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 into 1 is going to be cancel. Then 6 into 5 into 4 by 15 into 14 into 13. So 5 threes are 15, 3 twos are 6, 2 sevens are 14, 4 by 13 into 7, 91. 4 by 91 is a solution. Where exactly the 4 by 91? 4 by 91 is the option number 3. Option number 3 is absolute solution for the given question. If two marbles are picked at random, what is the probability that either both are yellow or both are green? Two marbles are picked at random. From how many marbles we have? From 15 marbles we have. From 15 marbles, how many we have to pick? Two marbles we have to pick. This is total number of outcomes. Favorable outcomes we have to know. Both are yellow or both are green. Both are yellow. Two marbles are yellow. Both means two. Two we have picked, right? From those two, two are yellow or two are green. Two are yellow. From three yellow, we have to two yellow. Both are yellow. Two are yellow or two are green. Where exactly the green? Green are two means from two we have to pick two greens. We have to pick two greens. 3C2 value equals to what? 3C1. 3 minus 2 means 3C1. 2C2 value 2C0 which is 15C2 means 15C2 I shall write. 3C1 means 3. 2C0 or 3C0 or 4C0. Any number C0 value should be 1. 15C2 means 15 into 14 by 2 into 1. 2 2s are 14. Here it is 4 by 15 into 2. 2 2s are 4. What exactly the solution? 2 by 15. Where exactly the 2 by 15? How many marbles? Two marbles are picked up randomly. Either both are yellow. Three are yellow marbles. Or both are green. Okay. Yellow 3, green 2. Yeah, sorry. Here, two sevens are 14, right? Here it is calculation. Yeah. 2 sevens. 3 plus 1, 4. 15 sevens are what? 105. 3 plus 1, 4. 15 into 7. 2 sevens are 14, right? 4 by 105. Where exactly? Option number 4 is an absolute solution for the given question. Option number 4 is an absolute solution for the given question. If two marbles are picked at random, what is the probability that none is yellow? If we can pick two marbles, in the two marbles, none is an yellow. Means yellow marble we cannot pick. Means remaining marbles we have to pick two marbles. Remaining marbles we have to pick two marbles. So yellow marbles we should not pick. None is yellow, right? So what exactly the probability favorable number of outcomes by total number of outcomes? Total how many marbles we have? 15 marbles. 15 we have to pick two marbles, right? We have two marbles. 15 marbles. None is yellow. We cannot pick from the yellow. Remaining marbles we have to pick. Yellow are how many? Yellow are 3. Means remaining 12. 15. Yellow are 3 means remaining 12. From those 12 marbles, we have to pick how many marbles? 2 marbles. From the 12 marbles, we have to pick 2 marbles. 12C2 means 12 into 11. Two numbers, right? We have to write by 2 into 1. 15C2 means 15 to 2 numbers. 15 into 14 by 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2 into 1 is going to be cancelled. 12 into 11 by 15 into 14. 3 fours are 3 fives are 2 twos are 2 sevens are. So answer is 22 by 35. Where exactly the 22 by 35 is in the options. 22 by 35 is in option number 3. What we can conclude it as option number 3 as an absolute solution for the given question. If three marbles are picked at random, three marbles are picked at random, what is the probability that at least one is blue? At least one is. Three marbles are picked up random. Three means from 15 we have to pick the three marbles. At least one is blue. From four blue marbles, one marble at least we have to pick. So total number of outcome. So what exactly the probability means? Favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes is the probability. At least one is blue. From 15 marbles we have to pick three marbles. In that three marbles, one is blue. At least means one is blue. Or two are blue, or three marbles itself, three are blue also. So blue marbles are how many? Three are blue marbles. We have checked. One more time, we have to check. Blue marbles are four, not three. From blue marbles four, at least one is blue. At least one, or one is blue, or more than one means two. At least means it is less. Means at least one means one or two or maximum three marbles, right? Or three marbles. From four blue marbles, we can pick one blue marble, or from four blue marbles, we can pick two blue marbles, or four blue marbles, we can pick the three blue marbles, right? We can calculate 15C3 value. 15C3 value, 15 into 14 into 13 by 3 into 2 into 1. 3 5s are 15, right? This is the value of 15C3. 70 into 13 by 2. Sorry, 2 7. 35 into 13. 4C1 value 4, 4C2 value 4 into 3 by 2 into 1, 2 2s are 4C3 value, 4C1 value, both are same. 4C3, 4C1, both are same. 4 plus 2 into 3, 6, 10 plus 4, 14. So answer is 14 by 35 into 30. 7 2s are 7 5s are 2 by 65. Where exactly the 2 by 65? 2 by 65. We haven't found 2 by 65. Answer is where exactly? None of this is an absolute answer for the given question. We shall check. Did we make any mistake? 15 into 14 into 13. 3 5s are 2 7s are 35 into 13 up to here. No way we made a mistake. Blue marbles, right? 4C1 4, 4C2 4 into 3 by 2 into 1 6 plus 6 10 4C3 is 4. 14 by 35 into 13. 7 2s are 7 5s are 2 by 13 5s are 65. There's no doubt at all. 2 by 65 which hasn't been available at any of the options. Option number 5, none of these is an absolute answer for the given question. Three marbles are picked at random. If three marbles are picked at random, what is the probability that at most two is blue? At most two is blue. How many marbles are picked at random? Three are picked at random. At most two is blue. So how many marbles we have? 15. Blue marbles are how many? 4. From 15 marbles, favorable by total. Most 2 is blue means 0 is blue, 1 is blue, at most 2 is blue, more. Maximum 2 is blue, right? From 15 marbles, how many marbles we have to pick? 2. So, blue marbles are 4, right? From 4 marbles, 0 marbles are blue. Or from 4 marbles, 1 marble is blue. Or from 4 marbles, 2 marbles are blue. 15C3 value we have to calculate. Just before we have calculated, right? 13 into 35. 13 into 35. So here 4C naught value, NC naught value 1. 4C naught value 1, 2C naught value 1. 3C naught value is also 1. 4C1 value 4. 4C2 value 4 into 3 by 2 into 1 means those are 4 here 6. 6 plus 4 most 2 is blue. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 1 11. 11 by 35 into 13. 13 5 is 65. 13 3 is 39. 455 should be in the denominator. But in the numerator, at most 2 is blue, not most 2, not at most 2. At most 2 is blue. Maximum 2 is blue, right? 0 is blue, or 1 is blue, or 2 is blue. Sorry, sorry. 3 marbles we have to pick, right? Okay, okay, okay. Here also we made a mistake. From 15 marbles, we have to pick 3 marbles, right? Blue are 4 marbles, right? At least one is blue, means one is blue. Remaining 11 marbles, 2 we have to, right? 3 marbles we have to pick, right? From 4 marbles, 2 is blue. Remaining 11 marbles, we have to pick 1 marble. From 4 marbles, 3 we have to pick, maximum 3, right? Blue marbles. Remaining 11 marbles, we have to pick 0. So 15C3 value we have calculated as 35 into 13 just before. So 4C1 value is 4 into 11C2 is 11 into 10 by 2 into 1. Here it is 4C2 value 4 into 3 by 2 into 1 into 11C01 value should be 11. Plus 4C3 4C1 it is 4 into 11C01 value is 1. 11C0 value is 2 5 55 into 4 which is 220. 55 into 4 which is 220 plus 6 11 is 66 plus 4 by 35 into 30 220 plus 70 means 290 by 35 into 13 290 by 35 into 13 290 is not going to be cancelled in any of the table. 5 sevens are 35 5 fives are 25 5 eights are 5 fives are 25 5 eights are 40. 13 table is also not is cancelled. 58 by 13 sevens are 91. Where exactly the 58 by 91? Option 2, which is 58 by 91, which is an absolute solution for the given question. The next question also, at most 2 are blue. Just before we made a mistake. Means 0 are blue. Means from remaining 11 we have to pick 3. 1 is blue. Means remaining 11 we have to pick. So how many we have to pick? 3, right? Means here it is. Here 1 means here it is. From 2 means here it is 1. Maximum it is 2 from blue. This is blue, this is blue, this is blue. Blue are 4, remaining 11 balls we have to select, right? Total it is 3. Here it is 3, here it is 3, here it is 3. So, how many total? 15 balls we have to pick 3. Means this value should be denominator. 15C3 value we have calculated 35 into 13. 4C0 value 1. 11C3 value 11C3 value 11 into 10 into 9 by 3 into 2 into 1. 3 3 is a 9, 2 5 is a 10. 55 3 is a 165. 4C1 4, 11C2, 11 into 10 by 2 into 1. 2 5 is a 55 here. Here also it is going to be 4C2, 4 into 3 by 2 into 1, 6 it is into 11. This value 165, 220, 66. 165, 220 by 35 into 13, 350 plus 105, 455. It is going to be last digit is 6 plus 0 is 6 plus 5 is 1. Last digit 451 and 421 both are there. 286, 441, 286, 280, 160, 440 plus 11, 451. 451 by 455, where exactly? 451 by 455, which is in the option number 1, that would be an absolute. 451 by 455 would be an absolute solution for the given question. I hope so my point is clear with this.